Next, we're going to learn something called the for each loop. So, file new, public class for each loop example. Public static void main string args. Okay, so let's create a one-dimensional array. Let's call R equals, let's give it a value, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, and 10. Okay, so the traditional for loop, and I equals 0, I is less than R dot length, I plus plus. You know, with the traditional for loop, you can do all sorts of things. Like, for example, you can do system out println R sub I. And so let's go ahead and save it. Yes, save it where we always save it. And then this will just print out every single one. You can also do something like, we're going to do plus equal 2. And this will print out every other one. So that's kind of neat. That's not every other one. Yes, every other one. So 1. So if you do plus equal 2, it'll print out every other one. 1, 3, 6, and 10. That's cool. We can do every third as well. You know, hey, that's pretty neat. You can do all sorts of things, but almost always we want to print out every single one. And well, that's great and all, but why go through all this extra code when all I want to do is print out everything? So, all right, I have a for loop that doesn't do the and it's called the for each loop. What we have to do is we're going to just pass in R. All right, and then what we are doing is we're going to put every single element in R, one at a time, into a temporary place. So I'll put temp and a colon. And this colon means I'm going to go through every single thing, every single element in this array, and put each one individually, one at a time, into temp. Well, what's the data type? Well, the data type is int, so I'll put it int temp. And that's it. So this is a for each loop. So for each element in R, put it one at a time into this temporary variable. And then I can just say system out println temp. And just so that I can compare the two, I'll put a tab between them. All right. There we go. And then, of course, this isn't temp. This is R sub I. And you can compare the two. The for each loop is a lot less code. The traditional for loop has a lot more power, but it takes longer to do to create it. So print it out. And, oh, I forgot to put out system out println. Get a carriage return in there. And there we go. 1, 2, 5, 6, 9, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10. So the for each loop. What is the for each loop? For each loop. The for each loop goes through the entire array and one at a time puts it in here. It's less code, and anything that is less code is more efficient and is faster to write.